The handle of the Japanese-style knife can be replaced. Usually it comes off easily when you hit it. As it gets older, the inside corrodes and becomes stuck. In that case, the only option is to break. This knife is stainless steel, but the inside will rust. On the other hand, rusting makes it harder to remove. If the corrosion worsens, the wood of the handle will also become damaged and crack. If the crack is more than 1 mm, it is serious. When the core material that is inserted into the handle, called the nakako, becomes worn out, it is impossible to attach a handle. Therefore, we recommend that you replace it regularly. Japanese-style handle are vulnerable to corrosion. The good thing about it is that it's exchangeable. Western-style knives with rivets are resistant to rust. Once corroded, replacement is difficult and expensive. After use, wash and wipe dry. Do not leave it in the sink unwashed and dirty. Also, do not put the wooden handle in the dishwasher. It will definitely deteriorate. Needless to say, the same goes for stainless steel knives. Stainless steel is resistant to rust. It doesn't mean it won't rust, especially since the inside of the handle is in close contact with the wood. It is prone to rust. How long it lasts depends on how you care for it.